Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to do zone cleaning on the ROBOROCK S620. To do it, click on zones here and it will automatically create a zone. You can resize it to any size you like and add more zones if needed. Then you can start cleaning and it will only clean in those zones. Once you click on a zone, you can adjust its settings by tapping the adjustment button. Each zone can be set separately, or you can click here to adjust all zones at once. To delete a zone, press on it and the trash icon will appear. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.